Understanding as per in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of English phrases, and our topic for this video is the phrase, as per. This is a commonly used phrase in both formal and informal settings, so it's a great one to get familiar with. Let's dive in. As per is a prepositional phrase that means according to or in accordance with. It often precedes some form of information, directive, or standard that provides guidance or context for the following statement. For example, as per our conversation, I will submit the report by tomorrow. You will be paid as per the hours you worked. In both these examples, as per introduces the context or basis for the main statement. Let's look at how as per can be used in various sentences. 1. Formal settings. In business emails or official documents, as per can be used to cite a rule, directive, or prior communication. 2. As per company policy, employees are required to wear formal attire on weekdays. 3. The event will be held as per the schedule provided earlier. 4. Informal contexts. While as per is often seen in formal contexts, it can be used casually too. 5. As per your suggestion, I watched that movie last night. 6. I made the dish as per your recipe, and it was delicious. While as per is straightforward, there are some pitfalls to avoid. 1. Redundancy. Avoid saying as per to or as per with. Just as per suffices. 2. Incorrect. As per to our agreement, I will pay you back by next week. 3. Correct. As per our agreement, I will pay you back by next week. 4. Placement. Ensure as per precedes the reference or context. It's not typically used at the end of a sentence. 5. Incorrect. I will submit the project as per. 6. Correct. As per our discussion, I will submit the project. There you have it, folks. The phrase, as per, is a versatile one, suitable for both formal and casual situations. It helps in providing context or a reference point in your statements. We hope this video clarified its usage for you. Keep practicing, and soon, using as per will be second nature. Happy learning!